ついに届いた伝説の魔法使い専用アイテムを開放。この圧倒的な獅子らのデザイン、見た目は完全に本物の魔導書。どんなモンスターも倒せる呪文じゃなくて、実は超便利な収納ボックス。1840魔法使いの皆様、一家に一冊いかがですか？
Here's a close-up of a purple book with a yellow crescent moon and stars on the cover. The design is playful and eye-catching, with blue stripes along the side. It gives off a magical, nighttime feel. If you're looking for something fun and decorative, this is a simple standout piece.
What if I told you that this entire ad, the actor, the voiceover, the product shots, even the unboxing, none of it was filmed? No camera crew, no actors, no studio. It was all made by AI in about the time it took me to make a coffee. Today, I'm testing NextifyAI, and by the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, what it can actually do, and whether it's worth using for your own content or ads. Quick heads up, this video is sponsored by NextifyAI, but as always, I will give you my honest opinion about the tool. Let's get into it. Let's start creating our first avatar. We have two options. We can create it based on text, or we can provide a reference image. We're going to start with the image version. First, we're going to upload our image. In this case, I've been using mine. Now, we just need to give our character a name and choose the language and the voice that we will use for him. In this case, I'm going to use just plain English. We click on generate and we are done. In a few seconds, we have our character ready. Now we can create videos using this character. Before moving on, let's also check on the text version of the avatar creation. First, we can select between a different sets of presets, styles. In this case, we are going to go with a Garage Workshop style. We are going to select it and then fine-tune our preference for this character. We can select the gender. We are going to start with a male. The age, we are going to get a 50 plus in this case, and then the region where the person is from. For this case, for this test, we are going to go with a East Asia. For their skin, we are going to select a brown, and then we're going to add some facial features, for example freckles, and we are going to add a stubble. Now you can fine-tune and change any details that you want in the prompt. Characters are created in vertical style 916. You can also select the model that you want to use between Nano Banana Pro and GPT. For this case, we are going to upload also an image. We want the character to look like me. I add my image, I click on generate, and in just a few seconds, we will get 3 different images representing this character. Select your preferred image between these 3. In this case, I'm going with the third one. Click on it and then click on select and use this image for the character. In just a few seconds, your avatar will be created. Let's now create a new UGC product video with this avatar. First, we're going to upload our product image. In this case, we're using our spellbook, as in any other test. Now, we need to define what the avatar will be saying in the video. If you click the AI auto prompt, this will analyze the image of your product and create automatically a very high detailed description of the product in the image. We are going to use this one. You can now review and fine-tune this text. In this case, we are happy with it. It's talking about the book, the colors, its magical powers, so we are fine with it. Now we are going to click on generate the voice. This will transform this text into the actual voice of the character, so we can test and see if we like it. After a few tests, I was happy with the voice. Let me now go back to one point I missed before, the action. How is the product going to appear with the avatar? It's on his palm. Is he hugging it? Is he wearing it? Is a try-on? For this case, we are going to use a palm display. The avatar should be holding the book. One final check on the voice, which is now finally generated. Everything looks good. Select the output, vertical or horizontal, the quality of the video, and click on generate. And after a couple minutes, we have our video ready. Let's now try one of the best features of this tool, recreating video styles. We have a great gallery of examples of videos and images to take reference from. In this case, we're going to create a video of an unboxing of our product. We check on the different templates that we have and we found one that we really like. We select it, and now we just need to replace the product with our magic spell book. We remove the blouse and we add our book image as reference. Now we just need to add our selling points. What are the key features of the product that we're going to highlight during the unboxing? In this case, we are going to talk about how the magic spell book is very handy when fighting with night monsters. All spells are also easily to read, even when you are in the dark. And the final selling point, you will never miss a spell again. Now we just need to add also our avatar. We select my avatar previously created, and now we create the video. And with that, in a few minutes, we will get our video completed.
Night monsters, look what arrived. The texture is purely magical. Every spell illuminated in the dark.
If you do e-commerce, this function will be super useful for you. We go to Tools and Listing Images. We are going to select our asset, our spell book that we've used before. Now we should choose which is the target shop where we are going to use these images. In this case, we'll do Amazon and the region. In this case, I'm going to select Japan. By default, Japan ads will be in Japanese. We select the ratio as 1:1 because we want square images. Now we need to write the description for our products. The product name, core selling points, target audience, desired scenario, and specific parameters that we want to include on these images. We will leave the AI match selected so the AI improve our images. We click on generate, and after a couple of minutes we will get all our images. So that's Nextify.ai, an AI tool that let me generate a full ad campaign's worth of content, talking actors, product shots, unboxing, B-roll, custom avatars, and the voiceovers, all in one sitting. If you make content, run ads, or sell products online, this is generally worth trying for free. Links in the description and pinned comment. You'll get those 20 free credits just for signing up, plus 20 more after your first generation. Thanks again to Nextify.ai for sponsoring this video. If you found this useful, let me know in the comments which tool you want to see me test next. And I'll see you in the next one.